Want to keep certain people from seeing your Instagram story? Whether it's for privacy or just sharing with a select group of friends, Instagram makes it easy to control who can view your content. Let's walk through the steps. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the section labeled Who Can See Your Content and tap on Hide Story and Live. Here, you'll see a list of your followers. Simply select the accounts you want to hide your story from by tapping on them. Once selected, those people won't be able to see your stories anymore. Want to reverse it later? Just go back to this setting and uncheck their names, and that's it. Now you have full control over who gets to see your Instagram stories. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.